welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to do a comparison. Yes, we're going to compare and contrast two very important tools, that is Instantly and Apollo. We're going to look at Instantly and Apollo. So we want to see which of them is the best lead generation in 2025. Yes, so let's get started. So we know that choosing the best lead generation tool is crucial. Instantly and Apollo are both powerful, but which is the best for your project? And that's a tough decision to make. You gotta look at the performance, ease of use, and community support. So let's do that. We'll also compare the features and more to help you make an informed choice for your project. Now we've spent hours testing both of them on real world projects, and the hands-on experience gave us a unique perspective to compare these two popular lead generation tools. We're going to start with Instantly here. Alright, let's go. It has a free plan, it has a premium plan. The features it gives us are real-time updates, offline support, automatic persistent queries. It's really good. It's really good. So some people say what's Instantly? Well, Instantly, like the name says, it's all about speed and keeping things simple. They decided to make working with lead generation to a breeze, even if you are new to it. They are really focused on making it lightweight and easy to get started with. That's it. So it's very to boost your email outreach. Don't let another email get lost in spam. Then try Instantly AI today and see the results for yourself. Now, some of the key benefits are blazing fast. It claims to be up to 70% faster than other sales software. That's a big deal. Tiny footprint. The core library is less than 1 KB. It won't slow down your app at all. And you can get instant updates when your data changes. No more manual refreshing. Get real-time updates. Then you can work offline. Your app keeps working even without an internet connection, which is great. And when it comes to pricing, well, we can say it has affordable pricing plans. It's easy to set up and use. AI-powered email assistant improves email deliverability. It has helpful customer support. Then let's look at the cons. Now the cons is that it has limited email template. The integration could be improved, occasional deliverability issues, and analytics could be more, robust. So now let's take a look at Apollo. We're going through it all, so we're just giving you a summary of it. Let's go take a look at Apollo. Now, Apollo has been around for a while. It's the big kid on the block when it comes to lead generation tools. It has got a lot of features and a huge community, which is great if you need help or want to learn from others. So, if you're ready to boost your email outreach results, Apollo IO boasts of a 40% increase in open rate and a 2 times improvement in response rate. So you can see for yourself with a free trial. The key benefits are mature and feature rich. It's been around for a while, so it's packed with features like caching, state management, and more. You get a huge community. That's right. Tons of developers use Apollo, so you find plenty of tutorials and supports. Flexibility. It works with any lead generation tool and integrates well with popular front-end frameworks. So you also get full stack solution. It offers tools for both the client and the server side of your lead generation too. So this is really good. Now when it comes to pricing, it's okay, I guess. You can say it's okay, yes. But it can be expensive if your team is a small team. If it's a big team, then you're good to go. So the advantages is that you can get accurate contact information, helps you reach more prospects, automates your outreach effort, provides valuable data insights, and integrates with your CRM. But the cons, like we said, is that it can be expensive for small teams, and then the target accuracy kind of varies sometimes. Then the email deliverability kind of fluctuates, and it requires some training to master. Now let's break down these features into comparison. Let's get started. So I'm going to compare Instantly and Apollo using some basic features. I'm going to start with the first basic feature, which is data accuracy. Instantly boosts a high degree of data accuracy. It does actually, and It provides varied, verified email addresses and accurate contact details for effective lead generation. While for Apollo, it offers contact details and company websites, but the data accuracy might vary, potentially impacting the effectiveness of sales and marketing campaigns. Now, when it comes to search filters, let's compare Instantly and Apollo. Instantly offers advanced search features comparable to LinkedIn Sales Navigator to enabling precise targeting for sales and marketing teams. While Apollo provides search filters for refining contact data but may not be as extensive as Instantly advanced search features. Then we compare the feature of data enrichment. Instantly enhances existing contact data with additional buyer intent data, empowering sales and marketing teams to identify high potential leads. While Apollo may offer some data enrichment capability, but instantly focus on buyer intent data, giving it an edge for targeted outreach. So when it comes to integration, Instantly has seamlessly integrates, it actually seamlessly integrates with popular sales and marketing automation tools, streamlining workflows and boosting productivity. While Apollo also offers integration, but Instantly emphasizes on sales and marketing automation, which makes Instantly more actually a stronger contender for sales driven teams. Now when it comes to ease of use, Instantly is designed for simplicity, allowing users to quickly find accurate contact details and professional email addresses without extensive training. While Apollo is functional, but its interface might have a steeper learning curve compared to Instantly. Yep, user-friendly design. Now, when it comes to contact details and direct dials, Instantly provides direct access to direct dials and contact details, enabling sales team to connect with prospects actually efficiently. While Apollo offers contact details but may not consistently provide direct dials, potentially hindering immediate outreach efforts. Now let's compare the sales tool. Instantly positioning itself as a comprehensive sales tool, combining contact data, buyer intent data, and sales and marketing automation features. While Apollo is valuable, very valuable for sales and marketing teams, but its broader focus might not provide the same level of specialized sales tools as Instantly. So, what do you look for when choosing the right lead generation tool? You have to look at performance, caching, state management, developer experience, community and support, flexibility, and cost. So, it is really, really important for you to check all this before you make your final decision. So, I hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.